What's up, guys? I hope everyone is safe. Last time we come up with you guys with Galaxy M31. Today we are coming up with an interesting gadget. It's a gadget, but it's a different type of gadget. Alright, let's see what it is. It's the AirPods Pro. So as you guys can see, we have the AirPods 2 over here and the AirPods Pro over here. Right now we are going to unbox the AirPods Pro. So let's see how that goes. So we don't need a knife or anything like that to come up with the stuff. Alright. Look at that, guys. Look at the size of this device. So right now we have the AirPods 2 and this is the AirPods Pro. So these are the stuff that comes up with this box. The AirPods Pro, how it has been connected. Alright. The device manual. Then some warranty information. Yep, that's it by the design of Apple thing. And let's see, what is this? There's something interesting over here. They're supposed to ask me to pull. Oh, the secondary safety earbuds, additional earbuds, like 4 earbuds is inside. That's good. That's good. All right. The normal. It's a Type C. It's a Type C cable. Wow, that's good. Type C lightning cable. So that's inside this box. So let's go and see what's inside, how the AirPods Pro looks like. So let's see how the AirPods Pro inside looks like. Alright guys, look at that. Look at the design. The AirPods Pro. Wow. Wow. Just one thing. Wow. Look at that. This is a design. So let's compare this with the AirPods 2, how that looks like. Alright, let me put this over here. And there's the AirPods 2, guys. So the normal size. So the normal AirPods. As you guys can see, the difference between the AirPods 2 and the AirPods Pro, it's over there. It's here, guys. It's here. AirPods Pro comes up beautiful. The design beautiful. And it has this earbuds, inbuilt earbuds, so it won't fall out or anything like that. So that's a good stuff that done by Apple. The design at its best. Eventually, not like the weird design that we were complaining about this. But now let's see how the sound quality of the AirPods Pro. Let me connect to my phone and let's see how that works. So let me connect my AirPods Pro to my phone and let's see how that goes. So whenever I open the stuff, it shows the notification in my iPhone. So yeah, it has been connected. It has been connected. So I was saying media control, noise control. Press on all on either iPods to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. Oh my god, that's good. That's good. Good job, Apple. So you can see the control center over here. Press the volume slider to view the additional control of the noise cancellation and transparency. Okay, that's some good stuff that Apple come up with this AirPods Pro settings. Even the announce message, have Siri read out the message without having to unlock your iPhone. Siri will avoid interrupting you and will listen after reading messages, so you can reply without saying "Hey Siri." Announce message with Siri. So maybe I can customize that settings, but every time we are not using the AirPods Pro, right? Like over the headset. So when we need something to do with the Pro or the headsets, so we'll connect it. But let's see how it will fit in my here. So right now it's just Vishnu's AirPods Pro. And 56% the case charging and 75% the both earbuds charge. So let's see how this fit in our ears. Alright, so I'm just going to see some YouTube videos to check the sound quality. Oh my god, the noise cancellation at its best. Trust me, guys, trust me. I cannot hear what is happening. I cannot even feel a hair inside my ear. Oh my god, this is classic from the Apple. So let me put on full volume. So you can work out with this. It's the best stuff you can get with this money. Actually, like it won't fall out like the AirPods 2 that you guys know. When we're running or something, some of the guys like AirPods, one of the AirPods is missing or something like that, or it just fell down. So this is actually fit inside my ear, and I cannot hear anything, not even a single air that come into my ear, and it's full of noise cancellation at its best. Trust me, and it's perfectly fit. There is no air gap also in this thing. You can see actually it just fit perfectly in my ear. So let's see. Oh my god, the noise cancellation. Wow, Apple nailed it. All right, let's see how the AirPods 2 that actually fit. You guys see can still listen what's going around us and what's happening. You can still hear the background noise. Well, I can still hear what there's I can feel it, the difference between the noise cancellation for this stuff. So as we talk about the Pro, it is the most advanced technology that Apple bring in this device. The main thing about this Pro is its water resistance and surge resistance. So if you can work out in gym, you have nothing to be worried whether it will be damaged with your shirt or anything like that. So you can use this as a running device also. You can run, this device will be there perfectly fit. It won't fall down. You don't need to worry about that it will fall down or something like that, or you will lose one device because it's perfectly fit in that ear. Adaptive EQ and active noise cancellation. That's the main thing about this Pro. So we really need this device because noise cancellation. You guys if you want to play PUBG or anything like that, okay, you'll be in middle of a game or something. Well, let's say somebody called you or something like that. Okay, you just want to ditch them and play your PUBG. So this is the best thing. This is the best device. And the main thing about this thing is it has the H1 chip, both the AirPods 2 and the AirPods Pro running in H1 chip. And the main thing about this thing, the Siri compatibility with the AirPods Pro. When you use the AirPods 2, you know how Siri works in the AirPods 2. But the Pro, it's the advanced technology that Apple claiming. But we never tried it now, so let's see how that goes. Hopefully, I can come up with this AirPods Pro in the next upcoming videos. I'll be always with my AirPods Pro. Nobody can touch me, AirPods Pro, the wireless charging case. All right, so both this has the wireless charging case, and this is the size difference. See the size, you guys can see right in the difference. It's quite big compared to in the sideways. It's quite big compared to the AirPods 2, but the AirPods Pro, when you do like this, okay, so almost the same size because this thing has some tail tip, but this one is perfectly fit in your ear. And yeah, basically that's it, guys. So the AirPods Pro, the main thing you guys are looking forward. Yes, it claimed to deliver 3 to 5 hours of talk time and 4 to 5 hours listening time, according to Apple. And they will offer 5 hours of listening time when active noise cancellation and transparency mode are off. So you can off these things 2 modes in the settings. So main thing about this device is the charging. And it comes with the Type-C also. So it will be mainly So the main thing about the charging is the Type-C cable, the lightning cable that comes with the device. So there you go, guys. The fast charging at its best. Apple comes up with this weird idea, weird concept, weird design. But this one is value for its money. So if you guys are planning to get one Pro, as always, call Jelly, my homeboy. He can give you the best stuff, the best price. So if you guys are planning, even though he is willing to trade in his stuff, so if you guys are having an old device like the AirPods 2 or the AirPods 1, contact Jalil. So he will accept the trade in, and he will give you the best price in the market, and just chip in the rest of the amount and get the AirPods Pro. So that's it, guys. We wrap it down for the Pro today. So that's it, guys. So we're done for today. So most probably we'll be coming up with a new device as soon as possible, because right now the situation over here, it's currently terrible because it's a lockdown situation. So we will be unable to unable to upload videos oftenly, but still, due to the timing and everything, the restrictions, we are doing our best to meet you guys with the new latest device that available in Kuwait for cheap price and the value price that you're expecting. So that's it, guys. So we are wrapping up it today for the AirPods Pro. So we are coming with new device almost every week, maybe. Like right now, the situation, I cannot claim anything now because like the current situation in Kuwait is, in my place where I live, they are still on lockdown. So let's see. We are coming up with a new device. We will keep on post you guys. I hope you will be enjoying this stuff. So keep on rock, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.